What's going on, guys? Mike, aka Crypto Jewels. We're going to do a Bitcoin update here real quick. Let's hop straight into the chart. As you guys know from my last update, I am assuming that this is a ending diagonal corrective structure to finish our C wave of what I believe is an A, B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for the C. That is ultimately my primary count for right now. As I had mentioned in the last videos that I've done, if we do break above this 27,667 here, then this count goes out the window and it invalidates this ending diagonal down and puts us into, potentially a more bullish forming structure, where I would have to assume that this is some sort of an impulse, and this would be a one wave and like an A, B, C, 2 wave, and then working on our 3 wave like that. So those are the kind of the two scenarios. But as long as we are under this 27,667 here, and this is on Bitstamp, so that price point obviously is going to change based on the exchange you're charting on. But as long as we are below that wave 4 pivot, then I'm assuming that we do end up getting this ending diagonal. And this would be, we've got our ABC for our 1, ABC for our 2, ABC, nope, sorry, that would be an A, and then potentially a B, and then what would need to be an ABC down for your 3, and then an ABC up for your 4, and then an ABC down for your 5. And ultimately what I am targeting for right now is probably around 25,000 to 25,300-ish is where I would assume that this ending diagonal would retrace down to. It could go deeper, obviously. We have a fairly large support zone. Let me throw that on here real quick just to show you guys what our support is for our wave 2. So again, real quick while I'm here, what I'm assuming is this is a wave 1 with an A, B, C down for a 2, and then we will be up into our 3 wave once we do bottom. So our support really is, all the way down. We've so far we've hit 382, which is a real shallow 2 wave if that's where we end up bottoming. I like to see 50% hit, which would be 24,633. But as of right now, the way this structure is developing, it doesn't look like it's actually going to get that low. I'm targeting about 25K right now. But again, as long as if we do break above this 27,667 level, then something else is going on and we'll have to figure out what that may be. But until then, I'm going to assume, that we do end up getting rejected here, move down in a 3-wave structure, move up in a 3-wave, and then move back down in one final 3-wave before we head back up. All right. See y'all later.